In this video, we'll show you how to create your own labels in just a few steps in the Schmitter online shop. First, make sure you are logged into your account. Then, to create a label, you need to add the items you want to the print list. You can find this list in the top menu to the left of your account. There are different ways to add an item to the print list. On the product page underneath the shopping cart icon, you will find a small label icon. By clicking on it, you add the item to the print list. You can also add the item to the print list in the shopping cart. To do this, make sure that the desired item is selected and then click on Select Action. In the menu that opens, select Article in Print List. If you want to add an item from your watch list to the print list, you must first open the desired watch list. Again, make sure that the items you wish to put on the print list are selected and click Select Action. Select Article in Print List again. Use the Fast Entry function to enter your items in the desired way. As soon as the items have been imported, you can add the selection to the print list by using the familiar label symbol. If you import several items at once, you don't have to add all items to the print list one by one. Simply select List in Print List to add all items to the print list with just one click. You can also add items from your comparison list to the print list by clicking on the familiar label symbol. Now that you have added your items to the print list, you can finally create the labels. Open the print list and select all the items for which you want to create a label. Then click on the blue button at the bottom right of the print list. In the menu that opens, you can now set the type of label you want and specify the desired quantity. You can choose from a variety of designs and also incorporate your own logo and your customer-specific item number. It is important that you provide us with this information in advance so that we can store it in your customer account. Once all the settings have been made, you can print your labels by clicking on the Preview and Print button in the bottom right corner.